how to increase or decrease the picture resolution in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. Now first, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the camera app. Then tap on photos so you're ready to take photos. Now in here, to change the resolution size at the top here, tap on this resolution button. So you can see it's a resolution. So tap on that. Here you have 12 megapixel, 50 or 200. So if I select 12 megapixel and I'll take a picture right now. And then if I change it to 50, 50 megapixel, and then 200 megapixel, and I'll take another picture. Okay, if I go to my gallery, you can see there are three different pictures right here. If I scroll up, here it shows I'm using ultra wide lens at 9 megapixel, and the resolution is 2252 by 4000. Okay, so I'll go back to the next pictures, and if I go down to details, you can see the resolution will be different, the size of the file will be different. If I go to this one here, the size of the file will be different and the resolution is much higher. So that is how you can change the resolution size in the camera when taking a picture. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.